Padraig Cosgrove from O'Halloran and O'Brien. I'm the Workforce and Resource Manager here. A big part of my job is getting new people onto sites, and I'm also the Training Manager here for the O'Halloran and O'Brien Training Academy. The Training Academy was set up 3 years ago, and the whole concept was to upskill our existing workforce. A big part of it is to get new people into construction. So we're running a lot of pre-employability courses at the moment, and we're running a lot of boot camps, and they're focused on trying to get new people and young people into the construction industry. O'Halloran and O'Brien are 50 years in business. We have a large groundworks division, we have a concrete frame division, we have B&T Plant Hire, we have Riverdale Developments, and also Keady Construction for our main contractor. Most of our work is in the southeast, down London, Kent, Surrey, Sussex, but we have started to do projects up in Birmingham, Leeds, Manchester, and also on the continent. So if you're interested in working with a company like O'Halloran and O'Brien, the details are on the bottom of the video. Please get in touch. We have lots of introductory courses to construction. If you're experienced, we have lots of opportunities too for experienced people. So please get in touch. The details are on the bottom of the video.